Today we're gonna show you that we're going somewhere. We're going to Kuya Miguel's school to learn. And then after that, we're going to the mall. So we're going to the mall now. But Papa's super sleepy. He's gonna crash us. Now, let's show you now. First, this ones are my kuya. This one is my kuya. This one is my kuya. This one is ate. This is my papa. He looks so crazy. This is the smart one. This is the naughty one. This one is the good one.
Naughty one, good one, smart one. Come here, Tala. Who is the...
You come with me. Come with me. Up, up, up.